how to fix TikTok effects problem in less than 50 seconds. First thing you want to do, guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on TikTok app like this and then click on the force stop option. After you click on the force stop, now all what you want to do is go into the data usage and then make sure to enable all those options and disable one only option, which is background data like this. After that, go back and click on the storage, click on clear data and then click on delete. After you click on delete all the data, now you have to do one simple thing, which is update your TikTok into the latest version from the Play Store or the App Store. It's actually very easy to update. All what you have to do is click on this option and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.